Does this sound familiar? Too much stock when you don't need it and zero stock when you need it most? I'm Guillem, brand ambassador at ForgeFlow, and if you're a manufacturer or a distributor and want to avoid those nightmares, stay with me, because in this video I will explain in less than 2 minutes what a buffer is, what it does, and why it's key in your supply chain. Imagine your company, it's a car driving on a bumpy road. If your suspension is bad, you feel every hit. But with an optimized suspension, the bumps are still there, yet your car absorbs them and you move smoothly and steadily. And that's exactly what a buffer does. A strategically placed shock absorber in your inventory designed to absorb fluctuations in demand and supply. Without buffers, or if they are poorly set, you run out of stock when you shouldn't, pile up excess inventory, and lose sales. With well-placed and properly adjusted buffers, you can, for example, handle the demand spike for the upcoming Christmas holiday season. Like a smart suspension, it grows when demand or delays increase, it rings when everything returns to normal, and it uses forecasts to better adjust to historical patterns and unexpected campaigns or changes. Each buffer is divided in 3 zones that protect and maintain a stable flow. The green zone determines when to generate the order, set replenishment frequency, and defines the minimum quantity to order. The yellow zone ensures you have enough stock while you are waiting for the next order to arrive. And the red zone is your protection against unexpected events, delays, or demand spikes. It's like your extra suspension that keeps everything running. This way you can see your actual inventory levels and know exactly what to replenish in each buffer zone. And this is where a good system makes the difference. With ForgeFlow and the DDMRP methodology, you can automate and calculate your buffers in real time, adjust them for each product, and integrate them with your daily operations to know where to place inventory to avoid bottlenecks, which critical materials to protect, and which buffers to prioritize and reduce. The result? A stable, adaptable, and protected supply chain. Do you want your inventory to work like a smart suspension? Visit forgeflow.cloud to discover all of our tools. See you in the next video.